Good morning, everyone. This is Shirley from Shirley's World Vlog. Yes, I'm back doing a shipping video. I had one sale yesterday that's going to ship out today, and it's an Eddie Bauer men's hiking shorts. They're sort of a really dark brown olive color. I'll put a picture of them on. And they sold for $13.70. That was a best offer. Eddie Bauer, nice pair of shorts. And I have the label on here already, and it is going to Goodfellow, Texas. Let me put a little sticker on here. Thank you, sticker. And that is the week's sale so far. And it is, what day is it? Today's the 30th of December. So we'll see what happens the rest of the week with the holiday and everything. Happy New Year, everyone. And hopefully I'll come on with some more videos, shipping videos. So be good. I'm going to try to do a video of me setting up my new budget planner for January and 2026. So look for that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.